I experienced being broke. Actually, may sinend ko pa sa friend ko yun. Halos yung laman na lang ng bangko ko. Dalawa kasi bangko ko. Yung isa 80 pesos, yung isa 500 pesos. Kailangan ko tipirin tong 80 tsaka 500 tsaka hindi dapat magsara tong bangko ko kasi diba may limited time lang na pwede. Doon ko na-realize na you can really overcome your mental health no matter what it is. So, nag-attempt talaga ako, literally nag-attempt ako to, 'di ba, ng suicide.
What is the lowest moment of your life, and how were you able to overcome it with Detailed Academy and with yourself and with your coaching career?
Yung lowest point ko is when I was starting actually eh. Pero dapat 'di ba, yun yung pinakamasaya. I mean, most commonly sa mga businessman kasi yung pinaka best way to start is to start. Talaga. I mean, yung pinakamahirap pala, rather, yung pinakamahirap is to start. Once you start, medyo tuloy-tuloy na yan. Pero nung nag-start na ako, kasi medyo impulsive ako eh, as a person, impulsive ako. And doon ko na, doon ko na hit na parang, oh, shit, it got harder. Kasi idealistic ako eh. Okay, ang daming pumasok na ideas. Okay, stinart ko na. Nag-post na ako. Okay, this is Detailed Academy. I'm Coach Chico, ganyan-ganyan. Nagpakilala na ako sa coach, hindi na player. So that's parang matigas sa ulo ko bilang bunso sa family. Bumukod ako. So parang I experienced being broke. Actually, may sinend ko pa sa friend ko yun. Halos yung laman na lang ng bangko ko. Dalawa kasi bangko ko. Yung isa 80 pesos, yung isa 500 pesos. So parang, bro, sabi niya, bro, rock bottom yan. Screenshot mo yan para pag you make it, may palatandaan ka na you have to, para may reminder ka na dito ka nang galing. So parang, sobrang, doon ko na-realize, ito pala ang pressure. Kailangan ko tipirin tong 80, tsaka 500, tsaka hindi dapat magsara tong bangko ko. Kasi diba may limited time lang na pwede. Na ganito lang yung amount ng ano mo. So parang yun yung lowest point ng buhay ko na parang, tas mag-isa pa ako. Diba mag-isa ako. So yun yung lowest, parang being broke talaga, being hindi financially stable at that time.
So how were you able to overcome those rock bottom moments? Grabe, 500 pesos, but you survive and now you're one of the biggest trainer here in the Philippines. How are you able to do that?
Ano talaga eh, sorry sa, ano to, trigger warning, I went through being suicidal din. Pero, dun ko